Fill a glass with water in half. Observe the shape of the water surface. Draw what you see. And fill the glass to the brim. Using a medicine dropper. Use a clean stick if you don't have a medicine dropper. Continue adding a few more drops until it is full. Observe the shape. Draw what you see. Fill a small basin with water in half. Carefully horizontal the paper clip or needle or blade on the surface of the water in the basin. Boil and let it float. Dry the object and try to make them float on soft water solution. Wind one sheet of tissue paper with at least 2 drops of alcohol in another. Tissue with 2 drops of water. Air dry both sheets. Alcohol 1 minute. Water 3 minutes.